The preliminary report on Air India Flight 171 has triggered a storm, this time from the very community that's now under scrutiny, the pilots. The cockpit voice recorder captured this chilling exchange moments after takeoff, just as both engines lost power. Fuel cut-off switches flipped to cut off within seconds and the aircraft plunged. But the Pilots Association isn't quite buying it. In a strongly worded statement, it has slammed the probe, alleging secrecy, exclusion of qualified experts, and a rush to blame the cockpit crew. They question how technical details ended up in a US publication even before they were officially released. The association says the investigation seems driven by the presumption of pilot error and they strongly object. They also point to a potential malfunction in the fuel control switches, flagged as far back as 2018. But Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has urged patience, reminding all that this is only a preliminary report and that the final findings will bring clarity.
A very commendable job. It was a very challenging task. In fact, for the first time, safely securing the black box and trying to decode the data and everything being done in India itself in the lab in Delhi for AIB, first of its kind. So I'd like to appreciate all the efforts they have put in to do a very transparent, very mature, professional way the investigation has been done.
रिपोर्ट तो प्राइमरी है, लेकिन पायलट्स का जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो शायद एम्बिग्विटी तैयार कर सकता है, क्योंकि उन दोनों के बीच
वो भी उन्होंने यही कहा है कि अभी ये फाइनल रिपोर्ट नहीं है, जो कुछ आया है वो सामने रखा है, उससे निष्कर्ष हम न करें, हम ना निकले, अभी कोई भी निष्कर्ष हम ना निकाले, क्योंकि उस पर जांच जारी रहेगी, उस पर काम जारी रहेगा। फाइनल रिपोर्ट जब आएगा तो उस पर बात कर सकते।
Former Civil Aviation Minister and trained pilot Rajiv Pratap Rudy raised doubts, stating that it was highly unlikely for fuel cut-off switches to be manually flipped to cut off by mistake, especially on an aircraft of that size.
बोइंग में है कि उसको एक एक्शन करना पड़ेगा जिसको मेमोरी आइटम कह रहे थे, स्विच ऑफ और स्विच ऑन। और जैसे ये प्रक्रिया दोबारा किया गया है तो फेडेक को ये एक संवाद मिला है। एक इंजन काफी आगे तक बढ़ चुका था, दूसरा इंजन अभी शुरुआती तौर पर था। ऊंचाई नहीं होने के कारण, सामने ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होने के कारण, बिल्डिंग होने के कारण विमान दुखद हादसे का शिकार हो गया।
As grieving families await answers, the battle over where the truth lies, in the cockpit or in the controls, has just begun.